G'day everyone, Scott from the Scale Model Supply here with a wrap up of our recently completed challenge build, the Big Bushmaster Build Off. The premise of our challenge builds is to give everyone a particular challenge to meet, which we hope will promote the learning of new skills and having a fun time whilst doing it. Now for this challenge, everyone had to build the new 70-second scale Bushmaster protected mobility vehicle from Dragon Models. The rules were simple: do whatever you want to the kit, you just have to use this kit. So taking advantage of this, we bundled together 30 of these kits, plus a 10mm paint set, so the camo green, camo brown, camo black paint sets. Sold them at our website for $40, and which was the entire purpose for doing that was to raise money for charity. And from this initial sale, we raised a total of $1,200, which we donated directly to Beyond Blue here in Australia. After a lot of issues with the logistics delays in actually getting the kits to us because of delays with COVID, we finally got the kits on hand at the end of August, start of September. I think it was September 1st we actually got our shipment into SMS HQ. So that was the official day of the challenge build. Then a couple of weeks into the build, Clayton Lockerbie reached out to us and offered us his newly designed mast sets that he designed for himself for his own build. He offered them to us to sell as a donation, to raise more money to donate to charity. So from that we ended up raising a further $550 to the same charity, to Beyond Blue, with the sales of this mast set. So thank you to everyone who purchased the kits, the paints, the mast sets. It helped us raise $1,750 for Beyond Blue. And if you don't know who Beyond Blue is a charity that works, a non-for-profit that works for help with people with mental health. So not specifically anyone in particular, but everyone. They work with everyone of all shapes, sizes and everything for mental health issues. So very, very grateful to everyone for helping us raise that money. So the challenge build was officially meant to finish on the 15th of October, but since that was a Friday, we extended it by 2 days, so to cover the weekend. So officially it finished on the 17th of October 2021. So here we go. Here's a slideshow of all the completed entries that were entered into the Big Bushmaster Build Off. Now the last two that were shown there were actually competing entries for the judging process. One of them was actually my own personal build, and the other one was done by Chris Creed, unfortunately, who entered it after the cut-off. But I've included both of them in there because they were part of the challenge build themselves. They just weren't they were non-competing entries. So now onto the winners. We had 4 categories. Best out of the box, best modified, best diorama, which we sponsored personally here at the Scale Model Supply with kits and tools and paints, and also the People's Choice Award, which was voted on by members of our Facebook group by poll, and that was sponsored by our good friends at Sparmax Australia, in particular Nathan Jones, who organised a Sparmax airbrush and stencil set for the winners of the People's Choice. So I just want to say a huge thank you to the guys at Sparmax Australia for being a part of this and sponsoring that prize. So the winners are Best Out of the Box, Craig Everson. Best Modified, Guy Martin. Best Diorama, James Denise. And the People's Choice and winner of the Sparmax prize was Clayton Ockerby. So there you have it. That was our first challenge build, done and dusted, and all the entries was fantastic. You have to agree, they were pretty awesome, all of them. So moving forward, we plan to do these challenge builds on a regular basis. So if you haven't already, please join our Facebook community group, facebook.com/group/SMS official group. So you can keep up to date with all our announcements, not just for our products and stuff, but our future group builds like this, our challenge builds. Remember to do the usual stuff: follow, like, subscribe, ring bells, whatever all that crap is. But you can find us at The Scale Model Supply on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and as at SMS Paints on Twitter. So once again, I just want to thank everyone for being part of this. This first challenge build, it was very successful, as you can see by the amount of entries we had in. But most importantly, big thank you to everyone for helping us raise that money so we could donate to Beyond Blue. Without your help, we couldn't have done that. So thank you. And again, thank you all again for supporting us, our family, our brand, The Scale Model Supply. And hope to see you all and catch you in the next one. Thank you.